Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you a very easy way on how to hide or unhide folders, okay? First is you need to search for File Explorer here at the bottom search bar and then look for the best match. Double tap to open. Okay, so once you are being redirected to your File Explorer, as you can see here at the top, View, Filter, and the three dots. So all you need to do is you just have to click these three dots to see more and then scroll down for options. And then here it will open a new window which contains folder options. It has this general view search. We need to go to view and then here under the hidden files and folders, it has these two options. Don't show hidden files, folders or drives and then show hidden files, folders and drives. So if you want to hide files or folders, just have to simply click this and apply and then OK. And if you want to show it again, just simply click here, apply, and OK. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay? Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.